so dark down here. Can you hit that light behind you?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Oh, is it hard?
Lucky for the camera, I'm doing much better than I was earlier.
Wow, look at that. Oh, I bet this will be fun outside. Huh? Is this your first ever remote-controlled car?
Yes. And by the looks of it, I think I might want another one.
So it's fun?
Yeah.
I like its big monster truck, 4-wheel drive kind of tires. Ah!
Yeah.
Well, the battery's pretty good then, right? Because you've been down here for a while. I know you were worried that the battery wouldn't hold a charge that long. Right, Samson?
Yeah.
Well, I think I hear Dad. Maybe I'll stop taping and we can invite him down and he can see what it does. Okay?